Guys, today we're going to be watching some fireworks go up outside, film my YouTube video because it's the 5th of November, so let's do this. Oh, there's some going on over there at the back. But I'm looking for the one next door to me. Let's look at these here while I'm waiting. Oh, there they are. They're doing it. Oh, there's another one. Oh, they're so good. Can't see the others. Come on, all I can see is the cars. Oh, there's one about to go off. Where's the light? Oh, and he quickly got up. Ready? Let's do this. Ooh. Don't move sideways. No. That's people next door speaking. Ooh. That looked a good one. Okay, so next. I fell off my stool because I'm a midget. Okay, Oscar Atkinson knows me. I made a video, which was this video. He knows me and he knows I'm tiny. Tell me about this. Something fell over. Oh, I got it in a minute. We need to watch these fireworks. There it is, there it is. Run! What? I could just hear them say wow. But me. That's the moving bricks. Because ours is right in the corner. But you can't see it. I'll try to get a footage next year. Because we're going to get a big box. The reason I can't do it is because the garden same size as theirs. But theirs is easier to do. So, oh, there it is, there it is. That was rubbish. Whee, there we go. My view looks a bit better because I'm recording on Lenovo tablet. I'm looking over my camera. What's on my cameras? Can't see anything. So it's just me knocking. Oh, there we go, there we go. There it is. Woo! Woo! That was a good one. Not as good as our grand finale. That had 16 in a row. So one after one. As soon as one, it was cool. So as soon as one shut up, another shut up. It wasn't like bang, shut up. It was like pew, bang, pew, bang, pew, bang. It was like, oh, there it is. It was just, oh, I could see it, like, you could see it, like, walking if you look there. Fire! That's it. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that was a high one. You can see playing in the distance. No more. That's so cool. If you could hear that over bang, there's another firework. There it is. not going to do them all because they've got tons, but so bye guys. Let's do one more actually. It'll be a good one. Because I'm going to have a little break, then I'll come back to it. Woo! Bye guys!